As the sun goes down on the coconut tree, it's unboxing time for you and me. Woo! Look at this! Oh, look at this. This is the philodendron lickety split. This specimen is replacing our favorite philodendron hope. This one doesn't have as many disease problems and it grows more compact with really giantly lobed leaves. This is one of my faves. I am taking this home. So I'll just set that over here. We have some other items that are already open. This is the black pagoda lipstick plant. Take a look at that understory. Look at that. So beautiful and intricate. 6-inch, 4-inch. How sweet. Check it out. We have some juniper bonsai starts. A fan favorite, the string of pearls, looking so juicy. Holiday cactus, back in stock. This one is size cute. If you need a little aromatherapy, we have the Tuscan blue rosemary. You can even smell it through your mask. And the French lavender. It's so nice. A few really cute cactus. This is the weirdo paperspine cactus, which you gotta learn to love. And this is a cute little old man cactus. Maybe we should call him furry man cactus. Jade that's often overlooked. It's the hobbit jade. And it's really pretty red color because it came from a really sunny location. If you can keep it in a bright window, you'll keep that red color going all winter long. And samurai sansevieria. Oh, that's cute. Gotta go, we're losing light.